Hello guys, today in this video I will show how to fix Roblox bad request error code 400. If you are using Windows PC or laptop and you are facing this problem, so you can resolve this problem easily. Just you have to reset network setting. So start and here settings. In this left side panel guys, you will see network and internet. Open it. And here this last option, advanced network, and this one, network reset and reset. And once you reset successfully, just click on yes here, and after that restart your system and try to run this application. Hopefully guys, using this method you can run properly this application without this error. Thanks for watching, and still you're facing problem or error, so comment that error, I will reply.